T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1.
Houston, we have liftoff. If it were not clear from the house prices graph, then it should be clear from the momentum graph that US house prices have taken off, rising at their fastest pace since 2012. Likely to end 2020 up 8% on the year. Furthermore, the breakout above the 2018 peak suggests further strong house prices gains to come during 2021, i.e. the sort of powerful upthrust in trend usually does not turn on a dime. By mid-2021, we could see average US house prices rising by over 10% per annum. Imagine that, 10% per annum. Though after the summer mania, I would expect momentum to slow during the second half of 2021, so likely fall back sharply towards 6% per annum. So momentum suggests to expect another strong year for US housing bull market, probably end the year up somewhere between 5 and 9% after about an 8% gain for 2020. Did the coronavirus pandemic deliver the perma bears the US house prices crash that they have been crowing so loudly for over a decade now? Firstly, a recap of my existing US house prices trend forecast as of April 2019, which forecast a rise in the Case-Shiller index from 225.9 to 232.4 as of January 2021 data. And here is the updated chart for what has transpired since my forecast of April 2019. So whilst the US stock market had a panic attack into mid-March, the crash where the US house prices are concerned was upwards, which should not have come as much surprise to those who have been following my analysis for the past 10 years, i.e. money printing on an epic scale. When you know the Fed is about to print a shitload of money, whatever they call it, will mean that assets that cannot be easily printed will surge higher in price. This is the inflation megatrend in action. The primary megatrend is the inflation megatrend. Those who bet against it on hopes of a repeat of the 1930s depression will keep going broke. That's if they put their money where their mouth is. This video is an excerpt from my recent extensive in-depth analysis that concludes in a detailed trend forecast for US house prices into 2022. The whole of which was first made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. With my most recent analysis concluding in a detailed trend forecast for the stock market for 2021. And my schedule of analysis includes a major update on which AI stocks to invest in for 2021 and beyond, a look at the prospects for UK house prices, a Bitcoin trend forecast update for 2021, not forgetting that my last forecast to buy Bitcoin at under 10k, and a piece on how to get started on getting rich, how to actually get rich. And then an update for the prospects for the US dollar and sterling, as the British pound has now fulfilled my long-standing target of reaching 1.4 to the dollar, or $1.4 to the pound, should I say. And do remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel for new videos. Oh, you got 4! 5!
Don't tell me now, don't tell me.
Oh my god, you got so many bitcoins. 6 bitcoins! Yeah! 6 bitcoins, we're rich!
How did that play?
We're rich! 6 bitcoins, what? 50,000, that's $300,000!
How did
Whoa!
First place.
You got 6 bitcoins. What should we buy with the money?
Computer and a holiday.
Holiday, we can buy a house.
Buy a house. And
Buy a house. $300,000.
I won
6
those.
bitcoins. Now, how do we get them?
Play a game?
Are they inside the PS4?
No.
So I pull it out and break it.
No. Then buy a new one then.
Yeah, we've got $300,000. We can buy hundreds. So shall I pull it out and break it and get the bitcoins out?
Now, because I'm playing the game.
What? There's bitcoins in there. Forget the game. I want the bitcoins.
Just get another PS4, play the game a lot, and then let's break it open.
But there's 6 bitcoins in it. What happened? You turn the power off. Will they go? Oh. What's happened? Where's our bitcoins? Have we lost them? Because I know you can store bitcoins on the computer, but if it gets damaged, you lose all your bitcoins. Is it like that?
I don't know. Oh! I was in 4th place.
You've
Okay.
lost the bitcoins, I think.